Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy Friday. Welcome to another Fired Up Friday. As you saw, I just dumped everything out of my bag. I couldn't decide what to fire up today, so I'm going to, I might fire up several, just because. Why not? I don't have to follow any rules. I make my own rules. As I figure out what I'm going to do, I will cut to this week's wow, brain fart. This week's shout out. Plus I get a new sticker from Shlisa Shell, so we'll go ahead and get those going. Alright, so we get an unboxing and an undrawing, or opening an envelope. Now, the camera will show that. Come on, camera. $9.10 for this. I mean, what the hell, post office? Looks like I've got stickers from our Fatwood Queen, Shlisa Shell. Very cool. I've got, oh wow. So I got a shiny one. Oh, I got mini ones too. Very cool. A different style. Wow. Yeah, I don't know what this is. Ooh. Wow, these things. They smell awesome of Fatwood. That is really cool. Looks like there's a third one in here too. If I can get it out. Three. Look how dark that is. Dude. Those are awesome. They smell great too. Damn, I love Fatwood. Okay. Let's see. I'll put it right here next to Dominic Manischetti. Awesome. We'll deal with this others in a minute. Set these aside, the goodness. Jump right to our drawing for this week's channel shout out. Try not to look at the names. Oh cool, Carolina Chris Outdoors. Good dude, actually his channel sticker is right here. Carolina Chris. Awesome guy. Doesn't upload very often, but when he does, it's always an excellent video. Real good dude. So shout out for you, brother. I will link Shalisa's channel in the description along with Carolina Chris. Okay, so I get this, I finally got around to opening it, but I get this black and white fire starter from Chris's Variety channel, so an additional shout out. Thank you again, brother. It's kindling, it says. Thought it'd be kind of interesting. It looks like this. Doesn't smell like Fatwood. I don't know what it's coated with. It might be something, maybe it's accelerant, but I thought I would try to do a few shavings, get a little power going of this. Let's see if the kindling will light. I don't think it's Fatwood because it doesn't smell like Fatwood. If you're curious about the little knife, check tomorrow's video for Saturday. I'm going to be doing a video review on this. So you'll have all the information tomorrow. Little teaser for you. See how it lights up. It doesn't smell like fat wood, but it's still lit up. Nice. Real nice. Alright. That seemed to burn up nicely. Not a bad little necker, I have to say. Of course, I got a little leather cord in there because I like the way it looks. Plus, it gives me a little bit more to grab, and I also have something I can sort of, wrap my fingers around and pull out. I don't really carry a neck knife, but well, I'll explain it in the review tomorrow. I think I might fire up one of these other ones as well. That's a little black and white. Looks like some kind of shavings. Get that out. Nice. She kind of caught my board on fire. And that's a pretty nice fire starter. Didn't take very long to strike it up either. As you can see, hopefully that car that drove by is not calling the police. It's a kind of a smaller container, but it's got I only used a little bit. And another freaking car. Well, I gotta say, with my initial impressions, these black and white fire starters are pretty damn nice. That's the first time ever using it, especially like these. Nice small container, not very big at all, but it lit and burned great. I haven't even gotten into looks like the tinder bag, wood tinder blend. I haven't lit these yet, so maybe I'll light one of these next week along with maybe some of this. See how well it does. But yeah, and then I still have these fatwood rounds from Shlisa Shell. Thank you very much, sister. Also for the sticker, appreciate that. Don't forget to check her channel in the description, along with today's shout out to Carolina Chris. Awesome dude. Random Altoids tin floating around in the back of the truck. Alright, just trying to stand out of the direct sun because I was worried about glare on the camera. Well, as always, I appreciate you all watching. I always do. I look forward to reading your comments. Have a great weekend, everybody. And yeah, happy, I think Father's Day is this Sunday too. So all the dads out there, happy Father's Day. We wouldn't be here without you. And yeah, have a good one.